Okay, so we are welcome to another problem. We are going to look at how to simplify and evaluate this, okay? Right? So we are going to look at how to simplify and evaluate this problem, okay? Now, when you look at this problem, we have 16 over 81 all in brackets. We have to the power negative 3 over 4. Okay, we have 16 over 81 all in brackets, the power negative 3 over 4. This is what we are going to solve. We are going to look at how to simplify this problem. Okay, now for you to simplify this problem, the first thing that you need to do is to check whether these numbers, the 16 and the 81, are in each prime product, right? You have to check whether the 16 and 81 are in each prime product, okay? So here I rewrite the same question, I put equal to here. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to convert the 16 and 81 into each prime product because they are not in their prime product, right? I'll convert the 16 and 81 into their prime product because they are not in their prime product, okay? So now if I convert the 16 into their prime product, I will have 2 to the power 4, right? When you draw the factor tree, it means that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? To the power 2, you multiply 2 4 times, that will give you 16. So that's the prime product, right? Then the 81 will give me 3 to the power 4. It means that 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that's 4 times, will give me 81. So this is the prime product of 16 and what? 81, right? Now, when you have a multiplication here, right, at the top, when you have a base carrying or a fraction carrying a power, right? When you have a fraction carrying a power, right, and you want to expand it, right, it means that the fraction, the power, right, the power will affect both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction, right? So in the same vein as I expanded this, the fraction here as the power affected both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction, right? So it shouldn't only affect only the numerator, it should affect both the numerator and denominator. So here, negative 3 over 4 affected both 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4, right? So negative 3 to the power 4, I use it to multiply with the power here. Make sure the base here, the power here affect only the power here. Don't use it to multiply with the base. The power should multiply or should affect the power, and the base should also affect the base, right? So here, this is power. So it should only affect the power here. You shouldn't use it to multiply with the 2. And the negative 3 over 4, I also use it to multiply with what? The 4 times negative 3 over 4. So the 4 of 3 to the power 4, I use it to multiply it, right? Now, after multiplying it, then you can cancel. You know the 4 here is over 1. In fraction, this is over 1, right? This is also carrying over 1. So this is the numerator, the 1 is the denominator. 4 divided by 1 will give you what? Will give you 4, right? So here, it means that this 4 can cancel this 4, right? This 4 here too can cancel this 4, right? So if this 4 cancel this 4, what will be left? It will be left with what? Negative 3. The 3 here will be left with. Now, if this 4 also cancel this 4, this will also be left with a negative 3. So here we have 2 to the power negative 3. And here we also have 3 to the power what? Negative what? 3. Okay. So now from here, you can see that we are going to apply the laws of indices, right? We are going to apply the laws of indices from here, right? Now, per the laws of indices, when you have any base to the power negative is the same as the reciprocal or the inverse of that number, right? Okay, so here 2 to the power negative 3 will give me 1 over 2 to the power 3. So in the same vein here, when we come here, 2 to the power negative 3, I have 1 over 2 to the power 3, right? So here I have 2 to the power 3, right? Now, 3 to the power negative 3 will give me 3 to the power 3. So here I also have 3 to the power 3. So this is not negative, right? So it's 3 to the power 3, right? Now, from here, we are going to expand this. 3 to the power 3 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times, you multiply 3 times. So 3 times 3, which is 9 times 3, will give you what? 27. So from here, I have this as my result. Then 2 to the power 3 will give me 2 times 2 times 2. So multiply 2 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 8, right? So I have this as my result. Now, this is an improper fraction, right? This is an improper fraction. So I need to convert my answer to what? A mixed fraction, right? So 8 will go into 27 how many times? 3 times, right? 8 will go into 27 3 times. Remainder what? 3. So that 3 is 24, remainder 3, right? Over 8, right? So 8 will go here, 3, which is 24. You subtract 24 from 27, to be left with 3 all over what? 8. So this is the result for my calculation. Thank you.